Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Sitara. Today we are going to learn some important vocabulary words from the editorial section of the Hindu newspaper. This will help you in the preparation of your competitive exam. So let's start. Our first word is devastate, which means destroy. Next, blaze, which means strong fire. Next, demolition, which means destroying buildings. Next, enforced, which means made to follow. Next, ventilate, which means provide airflow. Next, deprivation, which means lack of basic needs. Next, unfortunate, which means unlucky. Next, tragedy, which means terrible event. Next, inadequacy, which means not enough. Next, priority, which means most important thing. Next, catastrophe, which means huge disaster. Next, circumvention, which means avoiding rules. Next, inertia, which means unwillingness to change. Next, incompetence, which means lack of ability. Next, proliferation, which means rapid increase. Next, patronage, which means support, often political. Next, catalyze, which means speed up a process. Next, compliance, which means following rules. Next, mandate, which means official order. Next, accountable, which means responsible for actions. Thank you for learning.